We are here at Brushes and Breakthrough, and we're gonna network, we're gonna paint, we're gonna have a good time.
This was such an amazing event. We had over 200 participants that came and joined to learn about clinical research. It is very important that we have representation in clinical trials. And as we saw today, we have a lot of people that's interested. They're educated now and they're ready to get started.
This has really been revolutionary. Like, people come here and they're like, oh, I'm here for like a sip and paint, and you're gonna talk to me about clinical research. They are very willing to hear about clinical research. They're very willing to share their stories, some of the hesitancy that they might share as well.
The event was really fun-filled. I loved the music. The whole atmosphere was really like family-oriented.
It was an awesome atmosphere, very entertaining, great music, great food.
I enjoyed the painting, I really did.
It was good to be able to network with other people, to paint and just relax. A lot of times we talk about health, people tend to get tensed up, but it was an environment where you could learn a lot but still have fun.
The presenters did a real good job telling us what they offer.
And we learned about how the clinical research studies can help us regardless of our ages, regardless of any conditions that we may be dealing with or our loved ones.
Myself was interested in the weight loss. That's what brought me here. And I've heard many testimonies of how these studies and these programs actually work and have helped different people.
Clinical research, it is the study of how new medicines, treatments, or medical devices work in people. These tests are usually trial 3s, so they've already gone through certain steps and mitigations to get to this part. I know there's always stereotypes about clinical trials, you being a test dummy or monkey, but you should feel a little bit more comfortable, especially in a room like this. You know, we're all coming together showing that clinical research is meant to be for everyone.
Acclinate, Sky Clinical Research, and AstraZeneca partnering together to go into communities to do early education and awareness about clinical research. And I really think that we are setting a new narrative of how pharmaceutical companies could support through vendors their sites and really say, we want to do something different, we want to do something early, and we want to do something often. Brushes and Breakthroughs is changing that game,